Hello everyone, I'm Joanne. Welcome to my craft room. So the doorbell just rang and here it was, FedEx. I got my little Spellbinders order that I placed through scrapbook.com the other day because I fell in love with the free gifts and you could add all three of them. I've been needing a new trimmer, so I went ahead and invested in this one. There was a coupon. I got however much off of it. I can't remember if it was 8 or 12% actually. And so I was really happy because this is something that I've been looking at since it was in the, coming now things, and I knew I wanted a new one, and this was the one I was going to get. So let's go ahead and rip into this and open it up. I was in the middle of designing a card. I'm going to hopefully get a video done today for you guys, and then the Ring doorbell went off and I was like, I know it's my stuff. I know it's my new stuff. So you will struggle with opening it, as you see. No, it's just packaged well. How funny. There we go. Okay. Oh, isn't it pretty? I liked it because it was it's like a creamy color. Isn't it nice? And of course it has a swing arm right here. Comes out just like my old one. Just right there. And it has a cutting blade, a scoring blade. So when I went ahead and purchased this is absolutely wonderful. It's in metric and in inches for the US. It has my 1-inch cut over here that I like. It has, everything that I love. Everything I had was totally worn out. The little strip in here, everything on that trimmer that I have from Stampin' Up. I'm going to take these. You can take these plastics off right here. See, peel them back. Oh, don't you love to get something brand new? Of something that you use. I use this daily, okay? So like I said, mine is absolutely worn out. I wanted a new one. When they came out with this, I was very happy. Has a little thing if you want to keep it like a nail or something and hold it like that. And very lightweight. And yeah, quite easy to use. But, okay, so with the percentage off and this and that, I seriously, guys, I think I had to get to $20 or something, and I got all these gifts, or maybe I just got them for free and I just ordered that. I don't know. Oh, I did get extra cutting blades. Oh, I always go ahead and invest in those. I am an affiliate. There are links below for you to click on to place an order. Right now, there's, I think till tonight, there is 12% off because it's a Black Friday special. There are all kinds of add-ons, and when you add things on free, okay, you have to click it and add it to your order. It might be at the top. It might be a bar at the top of your order page, but make sure you click on it. I had to have these. I don't know why. I'm not a washi tape person. 49 and Market. I have never had anything from them, but let me tell you, they're very vintage. I went nuts. This was why it was these right here that I had to place the order for. Okay, I seriously wanted these. I don't know why. They are washi tape postage stamps. Look at that. And they're Christmas. Look at that. 2 cents, 25 cents, hello December, Merry Christmas, 5 cents, jingle bells. There was something I loved that they were perforated right here to rip and use for scrapbooking maybe, or even on your cards. I don't know. I've not used a whole lot of washi tape, but I had to have this. I was like, if they're giving that away for free, I want it. Look at that Merry Christmas one. Isn't that pretty? You could just put this right down the edge of a card and use it, just as some embellishment. Just so sweet. There's a nice poinsettia. I love it. Anyway, so this is what drove me to place an order. They really get you, don't they? I mean, but hey, I love this. I just had to have this. All right, now they sent me a little like gift guide here if you have friends or something that, you know, or someone you know that you love to give gifts for, or if you're having a grab bag with a bunch of craft ladies or something, they have some really great cool gifts here. The pouncers were free the other day. They sold out. They would give you 1 pouncer for free, but it sold out. But wonderful on Better Press, things like that. The Misty Rose quartz. So anyway, they sent that little advertisement. Then this was a freebie. This is double-sided adhesive roll, 1/8 of an inch. I have like thicker, like 1/4 inch. Okay, let me get this out. I have this 1/4 inch that I use all the time, but this was free. So honestly, for what I spent, I got that much again in free items. I was like, wow, thank you. Thank you so much. This is why I advertise scrapbook.com so much. I love that they reward us all the time with something free that we might want to just try, you know? Oh, look at that, is so thin. And you know, it's not foam, okay guys? This is double-sided, like for, you know, you could do, I use this a lot in boxes, that kind of thing. But sometimes you just need that skinny bit. And let me tell you, this roll will last me forever. This will last me a very, very long time. Okay, then they had this paper stack here. This is a Christmas paper stack, but I love that it had the gray here into the black, okay? I love this sand color too. I will use that also a lot. But it is for slimline cards, but I do a ton of die cutting, okay? And I know you guys do too. So if they were giving me 40 sheets of this paper, I was thrilled. I was like, yes, this is exactly what I need. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And then into that green. This has a little bit of a shimmer to it. That maroon right there. Oh, I love that. Oh, I'm actually making a card right now for you guys. Ah, I was playing with the glimmer machine. Look at how pretty this is. That's more of a gold. In here, this is more gold looking than it is brown, okay? So, and I love grays together, right? They coordinate so well. Even a black and a light gray, of course, coordinates so well. Okay, so freebies. Always click your freebies when you order from scrapbook.com. Add them to your order. And I am thrilled with my brand new cutter. Just a really quick video here for you guys. Thank you again for clicking on my links and ordering. You do support me and my channel. And I'm going to go ahead and get back to the card that I was creating and start a video for you guys for today. So I hope you enjoyed my little haul here. But I have to admit, I had to have these. They called my name. I had to have them. And I really love them. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in a little bit.